Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to see most fascinating things about Earth you had no idea that they exist. To know about those fascinating things, let's play the video. At number 1, here comes the blue angel sea slug. This Glaucus atlanticus is a species of sea slug nicknamed the blue angel. This unworldly creature is rare and is beautiful and is only found in coast of Australia. The blue angel is carnivorous and feeds on other venomous sea creatures such as Portuguese man o' war. It collects the venom from its prey in specialized sacs, concentrate it, then use the venom on future prey. Glaucus atlanticus was recently found in the Humboldt Current ecosystem in Peru in 2013 and of Andhra Pradesh in India in 2012. These sea slugs are pelagic. They float upside down by using the surface tension of the water to stay up, where they are carried along by the winds and ocean currents. The blue side of their body faces upwards, blending in with the blue of the water. The silver-grey side of the sea slugs face downwards, blending in with the sunlight reflection on the ocean surface when viewed facing upwards underwater. Second number comes the underground cathedral. The Salt Cathedral is an underground Roman Catholic church in Colombia that was digged from a salt mine in 1954. It is completely made of salt and is located 180 meters below the surface of the small town of Zipaquira. The cathedral includes a giant salt cross and can accommodate up to 10,000 people, though it has never been filled to capacity. At third, here comes the Kawah Ijen volcano. Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano is remarkable for its tendency to emit oozing waves of what appears to be blue and purple lava. Technically, the lava itself isn't blue, it comes from the high quantities of sulfuric gas that emerges along with lava. When the gas catches fire, it burns with a bright hue that makes the lava appear to be electric blue. At number 4, we have Voynich manuscript. The Voynich manuscript is a mysterious book with 240-page medieval tome written in an unknown language. It is filled with enigmatic illustrations and diagrams that seems to be depict everything from unusual plants to women with swollen bellies bathing in green pools. All attempts to translate the book's text or identify the plants depicted in it have failed. January 2018, a group of Canadian computer scientists announced that they may had some limited success in decoding parts of manuscript using AI. The researchers, however, admitted that further refinement of the process and input from scholars is needed. At number 5, here comes the tardigrade. Tardigrades are microorganisms that can survive in outer space. Tardigrades, also called water bass or moss piglets, are fascinating microorganisms that can survive just about anywhere. They prefer to hang out in moist places like mud or moss, but according to Smithson magazine, the creatures can survive in environments at least as cold as 328 degrees Fahrenheit or as hot as 300 degrees Fahrenheit. At last, here shines the rainbow eucalyptus tree. Rainbow tree is a species of tall tree, commonly known as the rainbow gum, that is native to Philippines. It is the only rainbow species that usually lives in rainforest, one of the only 4 rainbow species out of more than 700 that do not occur in Australia. It has characterized by multicolored bark. It has smooth orange tinted bark that sheds in strips, revealing streaks on pale green, red, orange, grey and purplish brown. Branchlets are roughly square in cross section, often with narrow wings on corners.